Are you stuck in the cycle, working endless hours just to survive? Meanwhile, the rich are playing a different game, one where money works for them. Today, I'll reveal how the wealthy leverage the financial markets to buy their freedom, the risks involved, and how you can get started. The system is designed to keep you dependent. You trade time for money while inflation eats away at your earnings. The rich? They escape by making their money work for them. And the financial market is their weapon of choice. The financial markets are like a giant casino. But instead of gambling, the wealthy play strategically. Here's how they do it. Stock market. Investing in companies that grow their wealth over time. Crypto and Forex high-risk, high-reward opportunities that create instant millionaires. Real estate and index funds. Passive income that grows while they sleep. Options and trading leveraging market movements to multiply gains. But here's the truth. It's not all sunshine and Lamborghinis. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: unlimited earning potential. Money works for you, location freedom. Trade from anywhere. Control over your financial future. Cons: high risk. Losses happen. Emotional stress, fear and greed. Control the game takes time to master. No overnight success. Scams and bad investments can ruin you. Escaping the matrix isn't easy, but here's where to start. Financial education. Learn before you invest. Stocks, crypto, real estate, and risk management. Start small. Never invest what you can't afford to lose. Choose a strategy: long-term investing versus active trading. Find what suits you. Stay consistent. Success takes patience. Trust the process. The question is, will you take the red pill or the blue pill? The rich aren't special, they just took action. The choice is yours. If you're ready to break free, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial hacks, and comment below. What's your escape plan? Let's talk.